What's up guys, Bobby Lewis, product trainer here at Allmoxy. Today we're going to be covering how to get a job from Allmoxy into Cabinet Vision via an ORD file. Step one is actually super simple. So all you got to do is go to the job in Allmoxy, navigate to the order. So let's say we got order 57, the Johnson kitchen here. You can see that it's loaded with some products and we want to get these into Cabinet Vision. So we're going to click on either parts list or order documents. Either one, we need to get to our export data, and in this case we're going to be using an ORD file, so you'll just click on the ORD and hit save. So we're going to save that file. Then we open up Cabinet Vision, go to File New, just create a new order. Say we're going to call this the Johnson Kitchen. Johnson Kitchen, and hit enter. Then we're going to click on Reports. So once the order is open, we just need to navigate to Reports, click on Utilities, and Import Order. We'll go and grab that file that we exported. And just like that, all the information's in. Now you'll notice it has brought in everything. Widths, heights, depths, quantities, hinge drilling, finished material or finished ends, none left, right or pair. Brings in the door styles, description. It pulls it from the proper catalog, and any commenting. We've numbered those appropriately based on the number in Allmoxy. So with that being said, you should have everything in here. The materials should have changed. Everything should appropriately change. If it's not, it's just a simple export file name that needs to be changed. So as you can see, this is a really simple process to go from Allmoxy to Cabinet Vision via an ORD file. And if you have any further questions, just let us know.